Man, this stuff is deep. Going down to check the bees. It's heading for 6 o'clock. Some of these bees got out for a cleansing flight today. Apparently it was warm enough. And apparently these hives are giving off enough heat to kind of melt it around them in snow. So, let's see. Now, if you notice, these bees got out for a cleansing flight big time. Oof. Oof. I mean, these hives were pooping like crazy. Yeesh. This is the worst. Hope that doesn't mean that they have no SEMA or something like that. Kind of doubt it. But these other hives seem to be pretty occupied. Those nukes really went at it. Don't eat brown snow. That's that lanternfly, honey. It's real dark. I mean, you see all that? Woof. Either that hive really has a problem, or they're very healthy. I don't know. I have to talk to some friends about that. Anyway, I don't have to dig them out. They had their bottom and top entrances. They had their top entrances. That's how they got out at first, anyway. So, it's good that they got out to relieve themselves. Now the long trek back.